Okay, I've got a 2014 GMC Yukon, and I wanted to show you these rear liftgate supports. So this is my old one right here. Here's the new one. I already installed one, but here is a new one that's going to go on the other side. So you can see the difference. The old one has a little lock ring that you just use a screwdriver. And the new one actually has a lock ring on the inside. This also unscrews right here. Go down to the other side. Same thing. This part is plastic on the end of this stock one that came with the vehicle. And they can crack, especially if these shocks fail and get old. There's a lot of weight. This liftgate has a lot of weight on, you know, your car. So anyway, this is plastic, has the clip, and same thing here. This has the clip here, but these are made of metal. Both these ends are made of metal. So anyway, I have one installed here. It's a lot smaller, seems like. So that's the old one, that's the new one. Okay, and then you connect it right here. So anyway, it looks a lot different, but this one has the clip on the inside, and this on this end it has the clip on the outside, which is still fine, but you just clip it around that ball. And I definitely noticed that this was the bad one, because once I took out the old one, the liftgate actually started falling down and I had to hold it up to put it up. So definitely good that I replaced this one. I'm now going to replace this one with this new version right here. So anyway, just pull back that clip with a little screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. And same thing up here. Well, actually this one you just pop on, you just push on and it snaps on and goes down here. But anyway, these are for the liftgate shocks for GMC and for Chevy Suburban. This is the GMC Yukon, but this also fits on the Chevy Suburban. And just check your dates or your years for what it fits on. But I mean, they're already full. I mean, if you get them and you can push this down, then that shock is not the right. It's not working right. These want to be solid and supportive because you've got a really heavy door. So anyway, highly recommend. Definitely check it out. We'll even pull this down a little bit. Yeah. Before, my liftgate wasn't even coming up by itself. I had to lift it up. So you can see now that it's, once I have replaced this other one, it's going to work really, really good. So time to replace this other one and I will be good to go. So got both of them replaced. Here is the other new one. All you do is snap that on there, and then on this side you want to put that screwdriver in right there to pull that clip back and then pop it on. But the reason that you want to replace these is because if you have failing shocks, then all you have is this support bar that's lifting the whole liftgate by itself. So then you can definitely, you know, there can be issues with this. It can break loose up here. But anyway, got these shocks in. They work great. Definitely raises up. Nice and easy now. So works perfect and ready to go. Now the next thing I need to do is wash the car. But works good and highly recommend.